Hello! In this video, we are testing our proprietary solution. The Capacitive touch button is a product designed for projects where reliability, environmental resistance, and seamless integration with electronics are key. This capacitive touch button is ideal for industrial applications, both in new designs and for modernizing existing equipment. It can successfully replace traditional mechanical buttons. Its wide input voltage range allows for easy integration with various power architectures and existing electronics. The button provides precise touch detection even through protective glass without any loss in sensitivity. The standard glass thickness is 1.1 millimeters, which is the version included in the Demokit, but it is also possible to use glass up to 4 millimeters thick. Please note that in such cases, additional calibration of the device is required. Thanks to proper calibration, the button operates stably even in the presence of liquids, eliminating false activations caused by water droplets. Furthermore, the button can be operated with gloves without compromising precision. This is particularly important in environments where glove use is standard, such as medical and laboratory applications. The button features two forms of feedback: visual and audible. Visual signaling is provided by 3 RGB LEDs, which ensure uniform, intense backlighting and full color customization without any hotspots or uneven lighting. Audible signaling is achieved via a buzzer, which users can connect themselves. In the solution presented here, the buzzer has already been implemented. Combining light and sound signals creates an intuitive, multi-sensory interface that enhances the overall user experience. Thank you for watching this video. We encourage you to test the Demokit yourself. Contact us to order your set today. See you soon!